Benefits of mango. What are the medicinal and nutritional benefits of mango? Mangoes are not only delicious but also offer a range of medicinal and nutritional benefits. Here are some of the most notable ones. Rich in nutrients, mangoes are an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fiber and potassium. Antioxidant properties. Mangoes are rich in antioxidants such as phenols, carotenoids, and vitamin C, which can help protect cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Boosts immune system. Mangoes are rich in vitamin C, which plays a key role in supporting the immune system and protecting against infections. Helps with digestion. Mangoes contain enzymes that can aid in the breakdown and digestion of proteins, which can help alleviate digestive problems. Lowers cholesterol. Mangoes have been found to help lower levels of LDL or bad cholesterol in the blood. Anti-inflammatory effects. Mangoes contain compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. May improve eye health. Mangoes are rich in vitamin A, which is essential for eye health and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration and other eye disorders. May aid in weight loss. Mangoes are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer and may aid in weight loss. Overall, mangoes are a delicious and nutritious fruit that offer a range of health benefits. This is not health advice. Please consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Keep supporting me for more videos like this.